Things you might say when you ride your motorcycle. Nanny, 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 I got a motorcycle and you done.
Green Sally up, a green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, a green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, a green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, a green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, a green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Oh, Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan.
Why are there still butterflies? So many butterflies. Good dog, everyone. It's your boy Bly here with IronCross Racing, coming to you from the Texas Hill Country. Look at that, ain't that purty? My, those trees are awfully purty. In today's episode, we're going to talk about what do you say when you ride your motorcycle. Now, this could be sounds or sayings. We'll cover both. And at the end, please feel free to add in the comments some of the things that you might say or sounds you might make when you ride your scoot. So let's get started. Things you might say when you ride your motorcycle. Whee! 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 Wait a minute. No, hang on. That sounded too much like squeal like a pig. Squeal like a pig. Let's try something else. Things you say when you ride your motorcycle. All right. Woo! 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 Things you might say when you ride your motorcycle. Thanks, honey. Thanks for letting me buy the motorcycle. Things you might say when you ride your motorcycle. Man, fuck. I got like 10 years to pay this thing off. Things you might say when you ride your motorcycle. Thanks, honey, for letting me ride my motorcycle and not kicking me in the balls when I left the house. Things you might say when you ride your motorcycle. My motorcycle is better than your motorcycle. See that guy's motorcycle over there? His motorcycle is shit. Mine's better. Things you might say when you ride your motorcycle. Man, this thing sucks. I want his motorcycle. Things you might say when you ride your motorcycle. Oh man, I hope I don't crash. Oh, it's a corner. Oh God. Oh God, I made it through the corner. Things you might say when you ride your motorcycle. You better not pull out in front of me, you mother. I'll get you. Things you might say when you ride your motorcycle. Ooh, look, Starbucks. I want a coffee. Things you might say when you ride your motorcycle. Man, get the hell out of my way, slowpoke. Things you might say when you ride your motorcycle. Man, I need a stage 3 kit. Things you might say when you ride your motorcycle. Ah, it's a glorious day out here. Oh, cages don't know what they're missing. Things you might say when you ride your motorcycle. Nanny, 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 I got a motorcycle and you done. Things you might say when you ride your motorcycle. Man, I'm not gonna stop riding. I'm gonna ride right past Sunday and into next Saturday. Things you might say when you ride your motorcycle. Ooh, a turn. Whee. Things you might say when you ride your motorcycle. Hey, another turn. Whee. Things you might say when you ride your motorcycle. Is that AC/DC on the radio? I'm gonna turn that shit up. Things you might say when you ride your motorcycle. Man, I'm a badass. Man, oh man, I think I'm a badass. Man, am I a badass? Things you might say when you ride your motorcycle. Did I leave the iron on? Other things you might say when you ride your motorcycle. Did I leave the stove on?